Hey, it's Joel. I bet you know what's going to happen right here. I'm going to say it's time, once again, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, for another Fan Mail Friday. Welcome back. As you know, every once in a while, someone sends me something to my fan mail address or the place where I can receive packages. It's in the description of every video. And I try to, on Fridays, have videos where I get to open that stuff up. We have this stuff here, and we're going to get it opened up right away. But first, I just want to let you know, in case you're watching this recently, I will be at Matter Hackers November 1st for their meetup. I will also be on the East Coast at Printed Solid on November 10th, and you will find me at ThinkerCon in Alabama on November 17th. Ooh, fly baby fly. Let's get to the packages, shall we? We're gonna start with this envelope right here. This is from an Emily from Albuquerque, and it says on the back, P.S. It's so awesome that you donate your sticker funds. It's true. What I do is take all the money at the end of the year that people send me for stickers and whatnot, and I take it from this box and I give it to Seattle Children's Hospital during the 106.1 Kiss FM One Big Kiss for Seattle Children's Radiothon, where they attempt to raise $1 million in a day for the Uncompensated Care Fund. Okay. Inside we have, $5 US. I happen to see a self-addressed stamped envelope and a note. Let's get to it. Hi, Joel. Confession time. I'd never really given much thought to 3D printing until I met my boyfriend, Daniel. He also introduced me to your channel. I love how wholesome and informative your content is. It's always great watching you work through problems and improve your prints while staying so upbeat. Please say hi to Daniel in one of your videos, and please send him my sticker, as he's an even bigger fan than I am. Thanks again, Emily. Emily, you're in luck because I happen to have a hello for Daniel right here. Daniel, hello, how are you? I want you to know that your girlfriend, Emily, cares about you, and she wants me to give you her sticker. In fact, the envelope that she sent me has her name on the return address, but yours on the recipient, which means, Daniel, my friend, you get a sticker. But wait, Daniel, I also need to tell you, your girlfriend is a wonderful human and sent $5 US to give to the children. In the box it goes. And now, Daniel, without further ado, is that even a thing? Regardless, you get a sticker. This envelope right here is by a David Altman. Let's see what's on the insides of this envelope. Inside we have, a letter plus 20 US dollarinos. That's amazing. Friday, August 31st. It's now October. I'm really sorry it's taken me so long to get to this. Dear Joel, I'm sorry that I forgot the $20 in my package to you. I'd sealed the box and handed it over to the post office before I realized that the money was still in my wallet, so here's the 20 for Seattle Children's Hospital. I'm the guy who sent you the Matter Hackers Blue Desk Organizer. I really loved watching the video of you opening the box I sent you. It sent thrills up and down my spine because I'm a huge nerd. You are a huge nerd. Anyway, thank you for just being you, and continue your awesomeness. Sincerely, David, that's wonderful. Thank you for being honest and sending that $20 for the kids. In it goes. This box is from someone that goes by the name of Tyler, and this box has been accordionized by UPS. By UPS? Yes. By UPS. UPS decided to make this box a little shorter. Let's take a look on the inside, though, and see what we have. I'm going to be honest. You did a fantastic job taping this up. I'm just going to rip this box open, and inside we have a postal priority mail. Send to this person. Okay. That's pretty epic. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna open it up just like this. There we go. Look at that. My Evan and Caitlin knife comes in handy once again. And inside we have, ooh, oh, this is that that marble material, isn't it? Oh, that is so good. Look at that. I love the color. I mean, it looks edible. It looks like cookies and cream. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Inside we have a self-addressed stamped envelope, which I will put right there with a to address to Sawyer. It's not what the box said, but I only do as I'm told. Read for Fan Mail Friday, 3D Printing Nerd. You got it. I will open this up, and we shall see what's on the inside. Envelope. Ooh, inside we have $1. I love it. Dear Joel, 3D Printing Nerd. Hello, my name is Sawyer, and I'm a big fan of your channel. I'm 15 years old, and I just want to let you know that you inspired me to get more into 3D printing. Below is a picture of my nightstand. I was having a new one made and thought it'd be a really cool idea to use heat sinks as the handles. I don't know if you visit the 3D printing subreddit, but I posted it there. So if you go to Reddit, it's Party Pancake 8 is the user. U/Party Pancake 8. I also included my maker coin printed on the Prusa Mark 2.5 in marble filament. I told you it was marble. And $1 for Seattle Children's Hospital. Sincerely, Sawyer. P.S. The Snapples are really cool. The Snapples are really cool. Well, Sawyer, that was really kind of you. Your maker coin is excellent, by the way. And this material looks fantastic. Your print is darn near perfect. I see no problems. I'm just, First things first, though. Let's get down to business and get this dollar where it belongs. Sawyer, my good friend, you and your fantastic nightstand, you get a sticker. Onto this box, and I find that UPS didn't touch this box. FedEx did, and it seems to be in fantastic condition, and it says it's from a Trent Deacon, and it says, open this side, high five inside. I just want you to see that right there. High five on the inside. In we go. And inside, we have packing material. Ooh, a 3D Printing Nerd. That's me. I happen to see a self-addressed stamped envelope. That's fantastic. Ooh. OM goodness. OM goodness. OM goodness. Blech. I want you to take a gander at that. That's downright amazing. It's the HF1, the high five one. It's got a high five on the side. And I've seen this model before, and I wanted to print it, and then I haven't yet. And look at that. Someone did it for me. And the box said shipped on July 31st, so I'm horribly sorry that I haven't gotten to it until yet. But this is amazing. Look at this thing. It's so cool. Let's get to this. This is to me, 3D Printing Nerd. There we go. Dear Joel, it's me. I just wanted to start by saying thank you for all of the amazing content and information that you've put into the world. Anytime a new video is posted, it is always the highlight of my morning coffee to enjoy the latest adventures in your 3D printing endeavors. I hope that the transition to working solely on the 3D Printing Nerd channel has been successful and that you're enjoying every minute of what you do. It is, and I am. There we go. After watching videos from Tom, Angus, and of course yourself, I purchased a Prusa Mark IIs and have been involved in 3D printing for about 1.5 years now, of which I am loving every minute of it. I've been learning so much and have had a blast making things for myself, my family, and my coworkers. Someday when I finally finish my teaching credential and I'm finally teaching mathematics in between printing projects, of course, I hope that I can have the opportunity to help my future students learn how to use their math skills and creativity alongside 3D printing. So thank you for all that you do, and I look forward to all the future brings for both our 3D printing adventures. As a small thank you, I have included a donation to Seattle Children's Hospital, and I've included one of my latest printing projects. I fell in love with Fernando Jerez's Podwalker, and the QR code is right here. I'll make sure and show it to you. And wanted to have a go at printing a full model and finishing it with some techniques from Bill over at Punished Props. So I hope that you enjoy the model, and again, thank you for all that you do. Sincerely, Trenton Deacon. This model is amazing, first of all, and you did an amazing job printing it, and then you finished it. And wow, that's just crazy. Inside the envelope, boys and girls, a 10 and a 5. Not only did Trenton print this, finish it, he's also sending some amazing money for the kids. That's pretty cool. Let's get down to business. First things first. Trenton, this is amazing. This model is incredibly cool, and I wanted to print it myself, but I don't think I could have even approached the immaculate detail you've given it in your finishing job. You, Trenton, you get a sticker. Next, we have a package from Amazon, and it says pull tab to open. So I will. I have a feeling I know what this is. And I'm kind of excited. It is. Oh my goodness. My friend Teresa in the good old island country of Australia sent me a metric tape measure. Oh, look at that. I've never seen a metric tape measure before. There, look at that. It's measuring things in centimeters. That's 20 centimeters. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Teresa, I love you dearly. Thank you so, so very much. I will measure things in metric for years to come. Thank you. 2 packages remain. We're going to go with this one from Newbrook Insurance Agency in New York. Okay. I have no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out. Oh, that's one way to do it. So it's a priority mail box, but it was wrapped so that no one knew it was a priority mailbox. That's tricky. That's tricky. I believe I can cut like this, maybe? Yeah. I guess I can just lift it. I didn't need to cut it. Ooh, and inside, okay, inside we have a self-addressed stamped envelope, a little 3D PN. It looks like a three-dimensional high five bill. Ooh, a business card. Oh, from Ben Levine. An E3D hot end sock. $5 US. Wow, this is packed, jammed full of stuff. And a note. This is a lot of stuff right here. This model is kind of cool. This is like it's got a Joel bot and some 5s. Kind of 5. Here's the hot end sock. Well, shoot, let's read this letter. Hey, Joel, my name is Ben. I sent you a package late last year with the duct tape wallet. Ha ha ha. It's very useful. I'm not going to lie. I hope it is holding up well. I have since gotten a Prusa Mark III. I have included a Joel bill designed in Tinkercad using things 2625039, which is JoelBot, and 2687609, which is from Thingiverse. I've also included $5 for Seattle Children's Hospital. I also included an E3D silicone sock since I saw one of yours was starting to crack, and I have some extras that I'm not using. I will put this to use. Thank you. Also, I am working on a filament tracker app that you may have seen on Twitter. It's for iOS devices and based on Rolling Up, which is for Android. I'm currently preparing the app to go into beta testing. So hoping you can help me spread the word about the beta sign up since I am a nobody to most people. I've got some links here, which I will of course show you. Ben, I actually, he sent this and then I met him at New York Maker Fair and he showed it to me and we sat at a picnic table. It was wonderful. I hope to say hi again at New York Maker Fair if you're going. I am going. Also, I forgot to mention at the time of sending this, I'm volunteering at a local camp that has 20 plus kids from grades 5 through 9 assembling a total of 14 Prusa i3 Mark IIs kits. That's amazing. Ben, thank you so much. I will make sure people get those links. And I now have your card. Ooh, he's got an Etsy. Let's get down to business, Ben. Your $5 belongs in that box. First things first. Well, Ben, thanks for everything. Thanks for the $5 for the kids. Thanks for the silicone sock. Thanks for the Joel bill. Ben, my friend, you get a sticker. We are down to our final package. This is from Chris Riley, mailed August 4th. August 4th. My birthday. So it's about time we open this up. Sorry it's taken me so long. All these excuses, Joel. I don't even know you anymore. Inside we have, let's see, what is this? This happens to be a note. Oh, with 10 US dollars. Oh. It's also got some bubble wrap. It's got a manila envelope with something in it. Let's just get everything out. We've got a t-shirt. Okay, in the bottom of the box. That's good. Oh, the t-shirt actually has stuff inside of it. Oh, it's got a Chris's Basement sticker. It's got Chris's Basement business card. It's got Chris's Basement pen, which, my goodness, I keep losing pens. Now I have a pen. Thank you. There it is. That's rad, dude. Oh, I dig this shirt. I dig this shirt a lot. It's perfect size. Thank you. Let's see what's in here though. This is interesting because it's heavy. Not like bricks are heavy type heavy. Is this a coaster? No. Get right out of town. Get right out of town. It is. It's a sticker that's been maybe plasticized. I don't even know words anymore, but I want you, here, check this out. Check this out. I was drinking some iced tea and I finished and I set it to the side and the ice in the glass started to cause this plastic tumbler to sweat. Problem solved. Chris, my friend. Hey, Joel. Just wanted to send you a shirt to add to your collection. Here is some money for Children's Hospital. Have a good day. Chris Riley. Oh no. Chris, you are a good soul. And let's get down to business. Let's get this money where it belongs. First things first. Well, my goodness, that's the end of the packages and the letters for today. I just want to say thanks to everybody who sent something in. And again, if you want to send something into the channel, the address where I can receive that is in the bottom of the description of every video I upload right here to YouTube. Thank you again, Evan and Caitlin Knife. It is time for you to rest for the evening. Good job today opening fan mail. Thanks again for watching. If you've made it this far, you're incredibly awesome. A lot of big stuff coming up on the channel, which I can't really discuss yet, but you'll be the first to know because you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. I love you guys. And as always, high five.